So hello everybody, this is Sanjay and you're watching Vijay Sanjay. So today let's know how to buy the new latest smartphone, the Redmi Note 6 Pro or the Redmi Note 6. So let's not waste time. So let's get started. So first let's check in the Flipkart and Amazon. Does these websites have the Redmi Note 6 Pro mobile or not? So here you can see Flipkart has no smartphones called as Redmi Note 6. That means Redmi Note 6 has not yet launched in Flipkart. So let's check in Amazon. So here you can see in Amazon we don't get any smartphone called Redmi Note 6. Here you can see only Redmi 6 Pro and Redmi 6. So let's go back. Now I will be telling you a genuine website, genuine place, trustable website where you can buy the Redmi Note 6 Pro. And yes, it is trustable. So this website is none other than banggood.in or the banggood.com. So let's search Redmi Note 6 Pro in this website now. So here you go, Redmi Note 6 Pro. Yes. So now here you can see there are two variants of Redmi Note 6 Pro, and this is a global version, the one of 4GB and 64GB and 3GB and 32GB ROM. And the one is 4GB variant is for 18,000 and the 3GB variant is for 14,000. So here you are getting the Diwali offer, which is a good. So you can buy Redmi Note 6 Pro in this Diwali for a better price. So here you can see the rating. The rating is 5 star. There are 24 reviews and the users have uploaded their pictures. That means it's trustable, it's good website. So this was amazing, that because you're not getting any you're not getting this smartphone in Flipkart and Amazon, but you're getting in banggood.in. So please comment below how you felt about this website and what is your feeling about the smartphone, and please do comment below that if you are buying this smartphone in this Diwali or not. This is it for today. Thank you.